Hello, this is How to Basic Computers, and today I will be teaching you how to download Google Chrome. First, open your Microsoft Edge browser, which can be found at the bottom left of your screen or on the bottom taskbar. It will be a blue circle. You can also search Microsoft Edge. Click on Microsoft Edge. You will get this page. Search Google Chrome in the Microsoft Edge search bar. Click on Download. Again, click on Download, which is seen at the center of your screen. The download will appear in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click Open File. When the download is done, a Google Chrome browser will enter your screen. Next, so Google Chrome can always be on quick access, you can click Google Chrome down here, right click it and hit Pin to Taskbar. This will create a permanent icon right down here so you can always enter your Google Chrome this way. For example here, I'm exiting Google Chrome and then I click this icon right here and it opens right back up. That's it for today. Thank you very much.